Hi, my dear kids. Welcome back to our math class. I hope you all are going on well. In the last class, we have discussed some practical problems based on multiplication. Shall we go to our today's class? Let's do the first question. Saju bought 5 pens, each costing 10. How many 5 rupee notes should he give to the shopkeeper? If it is 10 rupee notes, what is the cost of 1 pen? Yes, cost of 1 pen equals 10 rupees. How many pens Saju bought? 5 pens. So, cost of 5 pens equals 5 times 10. That is 5 into 10 equals 50 rupees. How many 5 rupees make 50 rupees? Yes, 10 5 rupees make 50 rupees. That is 10 5s make 50. So we can write 10 into 5 equals 50. So he should give 10 5 rupee notes. If it is 10 rupee notes, how many 10 rupee notes should he give to the shopkeeper? That means how many tens make 50? Yes, 5 tens make 50. That is 5 into 10 equals 50. So children, if it is 10 rupee notes, he should give 5 10 rupee notes. Let's go to the next activity. Complete the boxes. Do you know what is the peculiarity of the numbers circled? Yes, these are numbers got by multiplying a number by the same number. That is 1 into 1 equals 1, 2 into 2 equals 4, 3 into 3 equals 9, 4 into 4 equals 16, 5 into 5 equals 25 and 6 into 6 equals 36. Here the blank boxes are filled. What is the peculiarity of the numbers in the first row? Yes, the numbers are increasing by 1. In the second row, the numbers are increasing by 2. In the third row, the numbers are increasing by 3. In the fourth row, the numbers are increasing by 4. In the fifth row, the numbers are increasing by 5. And in the sixth row, the numbers are increasing by 6. Children, see the numbers in the colored boxes. In the first box, which are the numbers from top to bottom? Yes, 5, 10 and 15. Let's add these numbers. 5 plus 10 plus 15 equals 30. Then which are the numbers from left to right? Yes, 8, 10 and 12. Let's add these numbers. 8 plus 10 plus 12 equals 30. We got the same answer. Look at the next box. Which are the numbers from top to bottom? Yes, 6, 8 and 10. Let's add these numbers. 6 plus 8 plus 10 equals 24. Which are the numbers from left to right? Yes, 4, 8 and 12. Let's add these numbers. 4 plus 8 plus 12 equals 24. Here also we got the same answer. Like this, you should find out the sum of numbers in other boxes. Let's do the next activity, school store. Look at the price list displayed in the school store. Which are the items in the school store? Pen, pencil, sharpener, eraser, notebook and ruler. What is the cost of each item? Yes, pen 6 rupees, pencil 5 rupees, sharpener 4 rupees, eraser 3 rupees, notebook 10 rupees and ruler 2 rupees. Children, see this question. Manu bought 4 notebooks and 4 pens. What is the total cost? Look at the price list. What is the cost of one notebook? 10 rupees. So, cost of 4 notebooks equals 4 times 10. That is 4 into 10 equals 40 rupees. Then what is the cost of one pen? Yes, 6 rupees. So, cost of 4 pens equals 4 into 6 equals 24 rupees. Then what is the total cost? Total cost equals 40 rupees plus 24 rupees, which is equal to 64 rupees. So cost of 4 notebooks and 4 pens is 64 rupees. Next, Maya bought 5 pencils and 2 sharpeners. What is the total cost? What is the cost of 1 pencil? Yes, 5 rupees. So cost of 5 pencils equals 5 times 5. That is 5 into 5 equals 25 rupees. What is the cost of 1 sharpener? 4 rupees. So cost of 2 sharpeners equals 2 times 4. That is 2 into 4 equals 8 rupees. Then what is the total cost? Total cost equals 25 rupees plus 8 rupees equals 33 rupees. So cost of 5 pencils and 2 sharpeners is 33 rupees. See the next question. Shefi has rupees 24 with her. What and how many items can she buy? Which items can she buy with 24 rupees? You know, cost of 1 pencil is 5 rupees. So cost of 4 pencils equals 4 times 5, which is equal to 20 rupees. How much more rupees is needed to make it 24 rupees? Yes, 4 rupees. So which item she will buy? Yes, 1 sharpener. Because the cost of 1 sharpener is 4 rupees. That is 20 plus 4 equals 24 rupees. So Shefi can buy 4 pencils and 1 sharpener with 24 rupees. You should try and find out other ways. Let's do the next question. Jamila teacher bought 4 each of all the items from the store. What amount did she give? That means she bought 4 pens, 4 pencils, 4 sharpeners, 4 erasers, 4 notebooks and 4 rulers. So cost of 4 pens equals 4 into 6, which is equal to 24 rupees. Cost of 4 pencils equals 4 into 5, which is equal to 20 rupees. Cost of 4 sharpeners equals 4 into 4 equals 16 rupees. Cost of 4 erasers equals 4 into 3, 12 rupees. Cost of 4 notebooks equals 4 into 10, which is equal to 40 rupees. Cost of 4 rulers equals 4 into 2, 8 rupees. Then what is the total cost? To find out the total cost, add these amounts together. That is 24 rupees plus 20 rupees plus 16 rupees plus 12 rupees plus 40 rupees plus 8 rupees, which is equal to 120 rupees. So Jamila teacher gave 120 rupees to buy 4 each of all the items. You should do the remaining 2 questions in your rough note, and also you should do this exercise question in your rough note. Today's class is over. Thank you.